Hey, what's up guys? Yeah, I'm very sorry guys, sorry for being so much inconsistent with my uploads, but yeah, finally I'm back. And as you know guys, winter is coming soon, so I am just having a little bit seasonal fever, but anyway, now I'm almost recovered. So okay, finally guys, I'm back after 8 days, and now it's time to make a new Beyblade in this new video. So as you've seen in the thumbnail guys, today we're going to create a Beyblade using these things, as you can see, using bottle caps. Yeah guys, it's not actually the first time I'm making a Beyblade using bottle caps. I have created many types of bottle cap Beyblades, but yeah, this one is going to be different. So anyway, I'm not going to waste your time just by talking. Let's just quickly create a Beyblade just using bottle cap. Let's get started. Do it! First we need a bottle cap where we will create the launcher hooks, because otherwise without that we will not be able to lock our Beyblade with the launcher. तो चलो भाई जल्दी से एक bottle cap choose कर लेते हैं. मिल गया भाई, मिल गया. अमूल दूध पीता है इंडिया. ओके, जो भी हो भाई, बहुत ही पुराना वाला ऐड था वो. हाँ, तो हम भाई ये बॉटल कैप यूज करेंगे, अमूल दूध वाला बॉटल कैप. ठीक है. ओके, लेट्स जस्ट क्विकली मेक सम लॉन्चर हुक्स इनसाइड दिस बॉटल कैप. First you have to create a straight line like this using your cutter, then make another straight line like this, something like you can say cross or plus like this, as you can see. Now let's just quickly create the launcher hooks. Well, this bottle cap is actually too much big, so we don't actually need that much huge size for the launcher hooks. So we are going to make some small launcher hooks here. Alright, now let's just quickly cut it out. Alright, we are done with the one side. Now let's... Okay, let's see if it locks with the launcher or not. Yep, fully better and perfect. अच्छी तरह से लग गया भाई, देख सकते हो. तो इससे हम ऐसे लॉन्च करेंगे. Alright, not bad. Launcher hooks are done now. Still I'm not done yet. Let me just smooth the areas using my kiri. अबे यार, ये तो गर्म ही नहीं हुआ. Current चला गया भाई. बिजली चला गया guys. Suddenly the current just went off. See, लाल बत्तियाँ चल रही है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वापस आ चुकी है, बिजली भी आ चुकी है भाई वापस. अब चलो यार जल्दी से काम शुरू करते हैं. But guys, I have also changed my decision as well. So instead of using yellow, I'm going to use 1, 2, 3 red color bottle caps for the contact points, because I think with red and blue it will look much better. I will also use this yellow color bottle caps later, but for now I'm going to use red color bottle caps. तो चलो भाई ये red color bottle caps यूज करते हैं contact points के लिए. तो करना. So yeah guys, the contact point is going to be something like this, as you can see. So yeah, this Beyblade will have this type of wing shape. One is down, 2 to go. अरे कहाँ जा रहा है भाई? गया. The bottle cap. So it's going to look something like this, as you can see. This is optional, but it will be better if I do this. It will help me to stick the red color bottle cap pieces properly with the bottle cap, blue one. Let me just quickly give a wing shape design for better look. Add glue inside in each and every bottle cap pieces. This is a 3-wing shape Beyblade, so that is why I have to place them fully accurately. अरे यार अभी glue stick खत्म होना था. I'm out of glue stick now. Alright, so I'm finally done attaching all the red color wings on the bottle cap. So yeah, pretty much looking like Valkyrie. Alright, but still we are not done yet with the plastic surgery. Okay. Wow. That कहाँ कर दिया भाई? Just added a curved shape. Yep guys, now this base is absolutely looking pretty much similar to Ultimate Valkyrie, I guess. Okay, now it's looking much better with the wing curved shape. Alright, let's go. Okay, now it's looking much better. And that's going to be a triangle. Okay, now it's looking much better. Something like a Beyblade logo or something. Now for the bottom part, we need another bottle cap like this, yellow color. So let's just quickly stick that. But before that, we're going to add some glue inside because I really want this Beyblade to be heavy. And yeah guys, very sorry for bad video quality because as you know, it's almost evening right now. But still I will make this Beyblade. I just don't want another day to create this Bey. So yeah, just trying my best. We are almost done. Glue bahar niklo yaar. Alright, we are done adding glue inside the bottle cap. Now let's just quickly place it inside our Beyblade layer. Make sure guys we stick it at the bottom, I mean properly at the center, otherwise the Beyblade will get unstable. Okay, not bad.
The next day.
See? Oh, 30 grams के ऊपर तो नहीं गया लेकिन 18 grams का है. Well, it's actually pretty lightweight guys, as you can see, only 18 grams, which is a very lightweight for sure. So yeah, we need to do something about this. So first let me see if I can add some weights or not. And yeah, it's pretty much you know, both system Beyblade I guess. Okay, so we are going to add some weight, something like this. Let's just quickly place the thing that we need to place. I hope this will make some changes in the weight. Again back into our Beyblade layer, and voila. I also added some colors for better looking. As you can see, I just added some permanent colors, and now the Bey is looking much more better than before. So yeah, pretty similar to Valkyrie or Ultimate Valkyrie. The colors are pretty similar to Ultimate Valkyrie I guess, and yeah, the shape is just giving me a vibe of Victory Valkyrie. I don't know, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let's go. I hope at least 30 grams. Yes, 32 grams. Wow. See, our Cyber Pegasus weighs 32 grams, and samely 32 grams. So yeah, this base actually has the same amount of weight. So let's just quickly do our battles between these two. Do one again. Okay, not bad. Okay, pretty stable, and yeah, pretty recoily as well. Now let's do some. So I know guys the weight is fully same, but there is a huge reason. What? Oh, that was a boss finish from our Valkyrie. Anyway, let's just keep this aside. So as you can see guys, the blades are pretty much popped out. So that is why this bottle cap Beyblade actually has high recoil, and that is why I guess it's actually losing its stamina very quickly. So yeah, that is why the both base has same weight, but still it's losing the battle. Hope you understand.
ठीक है समझ गया.
So yeah guys, the corner points are pretty much popped out, so that is why this Bey actually has pretty much high recoil, and that is why it's losing stamina very quickly. Here we go, B12 Drago, and here we go. Oh, okay, ring out finish again. Oh my, okay, not bad. Still lost. Valkyrie homemade, let's go.